All right, my friend, welcome. My name is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi. I'm the founder here at the Fit Father Project. I'm with my head trainer, Stuart Carter, and in this short video, we're gonna demonstrate exactly how to do burpees the right way. Now, burpees are one of the most effective fat burning exercises out there because not only do they really ignite some of your muscles because you're jumping and you're doing a push-up and a squat thrust kind of thing, but they're also just really great for getting your blood flowing and getting a bunch of cardio. So in this video, Stuart's gonna demo burpees. I'm gonna talk over and explain the key form points. I know you're gonna learn a ton. You're gonna learn how to incorporate these into your routine. Let's dive on in. FitFatherProject.com. All right, so to start burpees, Stuart's gonna get down into the lower plank position, which is where we start the burpees. And the first half of this is a squat thrust. And we have an exercise tutorial on the squat thrust if you'd like to see that by itself. We're gonna talk through this. So slowly, the first part is Stuart is in a good plank position. He has his palms against the floor. He's pushing away, keeping his upper back nice and straight, and his core is flat, and he's not letting his low back sag, he's not letting his ass peek up. So he's got that nice flat plank position. First thing he's gonna do is drive both of his legs right to here. Then he's gonna jump up, boom, soft landing, right back down to the squat thrust. So it goes squat thrust, up, jump, down, squat thrust, jump, down. So Stuart will do a couple more reps as we talk through. So key form points here, as you're doing the squat thrust and you jump, I want you to jump explosively, but make sure that you're landing with some softness in your knees. We don't want you landing with stiff knees, and to do the burpees, it's best to really just set a timer on your phone or your watch if you want to wear a watch like me, and you can do maybe 30 seconds of burpees, and you are gonna be huffing and puffing, but most importantly, burning a ton of fat. So Stuart likes to do, I think, 3 sets of 30 seconds with the burpees, and this is something you do in the beginning of your workout to warm up if you're doing weights, or at the end, it's kind of like an afterburn to really just burn the workout out. And this is a great exercise that trains your entire body, your cardiovascular system, your muscles. So we recommend you incorporate this. And if you enjoyed this, this burpee tutorial and you'd like to know our 24-minute fat burning workout for busy fathers that incorporates exercises like burpees with 5 secret motions that we do in a very specific sequence in just 24 minutes to burn a ton of fat, and over 10,000 fathers are using this workout right now, then click the link here and you'll get you'll go to the very next page and we're gonna give you our workout right via email. We're gonna walk you through everything, and because you watch this burpee videos, I know you're gonna like that. And also, if you enjoyed this, definitely subscribe to our Fit Father Project YouTube channel. We publish new exercise tutorials just like this every week, and plus we have other great content on how to stay motivated, how to eat to burn fat and build muscle, and just how to stay healthy well into your 40s, 50s, 60s, and beyond. And plus you get to watch Stuart exercise, and you don't even have to exercise yourself. Really, that's like my job. So I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you around in other videos, and we'll talk soon.